How to remove the daily time limit on Instagram. So if your Instagram has a daily usage limit set, this tutorial will help you turn it off. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up Instagram on your device. Once you're inside Instagram, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. From the menu that appears, find and tap on Time Management. Now tap on Daily Limit. Here, if the limit is set, you will see the current time limit, like 30 minutes or 2 hours. So all you need to do is turn it off. Once you turn it off, the daily limit will be removed, and you will be able to use Instagram without restrictions. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.